Hey, Jesse Davis of WholesaleDealsForYou.com with another video tip. Look, I get asked a lot, is real estate a safe investment? Now, that's a pretty good question. Right now, especially with the way the market is, and when you're constantly browbeat by the news everywhere that the country's going to where in a basket, in a handbasket, that's saying. Personally, I believe that real estate is still a safe investment. There is ways that you can, really screw up in any investment, but I believe overall in long-term investing, real estate should be a part of your investing portfolio, and I believe it is a safe investment right now. I mean, the one thing I like about real estate that you can never deny is this right here. I can buy a house, okay, and I've invested in options, I've invested in stocks, and I've lost money, I've made money in all those different avenues of investing. The one thing I like about the house and buying a house is I buy that house, it's mine, okay, I can see it, it's there, it can make me money, I can make it, I can work it, okay, I can go in there if I'm having problems with some getting rented, I can put some more money in it and redo it and get it better and make it more attractive and get a better tenant in there, and I can take, if I have a problem tenant, I can get them out and put somebody that's better in there. I can control that investment, whereas I've been in different investments in the stock market like you see right now, where all of a sudden you buy a stock and man, the value is gone like that, and then there is no getting it back. There's no getting there. You can't do anything about it. You can't go into a company and help that company get back going. I mean, once that stock goes down, it may go back up, but all of a sudden, I mean, you have very, very little power to affect the investment, and that's one of the reasons that I like buying real estate and being involved in real estate is I can make the decision on which house I buy, what area I buy in, the strategy in real estate that I'm going after, and also, even in this market right now, even if I bought a house and the values plummeted, I still have a house. I still have an asset. It may not be worth the money. I may lose. I mean, it may not be worth that money, but it's still something that can produce me cash. Where a stock, and a lot of times you put your money in a stock, it's gone. The value plummets. You're not getting any money off of it. Okay, you just got a loss, period. I may have lost the liquidity when I buy a house. Okay, you can buy a house and pay too much for it. You may lose the ability to get that money back out, that liquidity, therefore losing some money. But you can get some money out of that house from somebody at a certain point. But the biggest thing is you can, even if you can't, you lose some liquidity of your money, you can actually do things to make that thing be profitable to you. It can actually bring you money, so that over time, even if the value in an area goes down, you still have a house. You still have something tangible, and that's just my personal preference. Some people don't agree with me, but I like that. I like knowing that when I'm purchasing something, I have something tangible that can bring me a good return over the long term. And so I do believe that real estate is still a safe investment. I don't believe you need to be in markets that that fluctuate just up and down, up and down, up and down, really, really high. I mean, you can. That's part of real estate investing, and that is an area that you can speculate and make some good money. But long-term wealth building, part of your portfolio, your assets, need to be in some rental properties and buying some houses to hold. That is true wealth. I mean, I know guys right now that I know a lot of real estate investors right now that did not own houses. Okay, they just were buying and selling houses. They know how to buy and sell houses, and so all that time they were buying and selling houses, they were making a bunch of money, spending a bunch of money, living a grand life, but they were never building something for long term to withstand them during times where that buying and selling real quick doesn't really work. And it's the people the investors that have money right now coming in from their investments that are being able to kind of sit back and hold through all the problems that are going in the market. And so buying and holding, gets a bad rap because it's not pretty. It's not a real quick money type strategy. But overall, even right now, I can tell you right now, I love the fact that I own houses and that I have some income coming in right now, even if, for instance, something slows down in the buying and selling, because I wholesale a lot of houses. But if it slows down, I still have rental houses bringing me cash flow. And that feels good to me, and I really like that. And as long as I keep them rented, it's rocking and rolling. So I do believe that investing in real estate is still a safe investment. It's still the way to go. A lot of money has been made in real estate for a lot of people, and the majority of wealth in this country has been a lot of it has come from real estate and real estate transactions, and it will always be that way. And I truly believe that. But you just gotta, think about what you're doing. And if you're interested in learning more, or wanting to begin to build your own rental portfolio, or interested in working with me, period, go to wholesaledeals4u.com. Wholesaledeals4u.com. Sign up. You'll get a welcome email, and I'll kind of introduce you to myself, introduce you to my mother, and what we do in the area of Jackson, Mississippi. And I look forward to working with you and possibly doing some business with you in the future. Hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video.